You've painted up your lips and rolled and curled your tinted hair. Ruby, are you contemplating going out somewhere? The shadow on the wall tells me the sun is going down. Oh, Ruby, don't take your love to town. It wasn't me that started that old crazy Asian war, but I was proud to go and do my patriotic chore. And yes, it's true that I'm not the man I used to be. Oh, I still need some company. It's hard to love a man whose legs were bent and paralyzed. And the wants and the needs of a woman your age, Ruby, I realize. But it won't be long, I've heard them say, until I'm not around. Oh, Ruby, don't take your love to town. She's leaving now, 'cause I just heard the slamming of the door. The way I know I've heard it slam 100 times before. And if I could move, I'd get my gun and put her in the ground.
Dust from head to toe, working the shift both night and day. Come Friday night, I'm gonna get my pay. Come Friday night, I'm gonna get my pay. Some might say this job's no good, but it pays my bills like I think it should. The grime and dirt don't matter to me. My life is hard and nothing is free. My life is hard and nothing is free. I was born in Tennessee. We lost our farm back in '83. 1 year later we dug Daddy's grave. I kept to the shovel and became a slave. I kept to the shovel and became a slave. Now the sun goes up, the sun goes down. It's a different life in a minus town. Ain't nobody here to care for me. And if you got a solution, won't you tell it to me? And if you got a solution, won't you share it with me? I forget about the troubles and forget about the pain. Living day to day's about all I can sustain.
Come on over, baby, whole lot of shaking going on. Come on over, baby, baby, you can't go wrong. I ain't faking, whole lot of shaking going on. I said, come on over, baby, we got chicken in the barn. Well, you went away and left me in Big Mama. Yes, you left me for another, left me alone and oh so blue. Please come back, hey Cher, come on back. Make me happy, live with me in Big Mama. Hey,